Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your CoinMarketCap account. To delete your CoinMarketCap account, you generally need to follow a specific process. First of all, go ahead and open up your CoinMarketCap application or website. And from the main homepage, once logged in, tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and under Account, tap on Delete Account. Now, click on the checkbox below to acknowledge that your personal data, including your diamonds, watch list, and portfolios will be deleted once you delete your account, and your deletion request will be processed within 28 days. Once you check on the box, click on Confirm, and then enter the authenticator code from your Google Authenticator app if you have enabled two-factor authentication. You can also verify with email. Simply tap on Verify with Email button at the bottom and you'll receive an email to your email inbox. Simply go ahead and open up your email inbox and you will receive a verification code from CoinMarketCap. Copy the code that you received, get back to the CoinMarketCap app and paste in the verification code. After you do that, you will be able to schedule your account for deletion. It may take some time for your request to be processed. You will receive a confirmation once your account has been successfully deleted. Remember that once the account is deleted, you cannot recover it. You will need to create a new account if you decide to return to CoinMarketCap in the future. So that's how you easily delete your CoinMarketCap account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you with another tutorial video. Thank you for watching.